I am Pankaj Sharma, VP of Management, 𝓕𝓾𝓵𝓵 𝓟𝓵𝓪. Today we are going to discuss about law of marketing. It is a subject especially for the students of BB and PCOM. So let's begin. Principle of marketing, it has a very wide definition, but precisely marketing refers to the activity undertaken by a company buying or selling of a marketing includes management, selling, and delivering products to customers or other businesses. Some marketing is done by affiliated on behalf of a company. Marketing is an ongoing practice to capture customer attention towards the product. It is the core of the business practices without which any business will prove a colossal failure. As far as nature of the marketing is concerned, it has a number of functions. For example, a field function, human activity, economic functions, art and science, customer centric, consumer oriented, goal oriented, proactive activity, dynamic process, and it helps you create an utility organization. If we describe them one by one, for example, a manager, it is all about successful managing product, release, price, and promotion of business to generate revenues. Whereas human activity, it is satisfied the never-ending need, desire of human beings. As far as economic functions of marketing is concerned, the crucial second marketing objective is to earn a profit. Both art and science, creating a demand of the product among consumer is an art, and understanding human behavior and psychology is a science. Customer-centric approach of marketing. In this, various strategies are and motivate customer acquisition. Customer oriented, it practice market research and survey about customers' taste and expectations. Orientation, it aims at accomplishing sellers' profitability goals and buyers' purchase. Interactive activities. Marketing is all about exchanging idea and information among buyer and seller. Dynamic process. Marketing practice keeps on changing from time to time to improve its effectiveness. Create utility. It establishes utility to the consumer through four different ways. Kind of a service time whenever this is related with the availability and suggestion. So we understand scope of the market. It is about this consumer wants and needs. Goods are produced to satisfy consumer needs. Therefore, study is done to identify consumer needs and wants. These needs and wants motivate consumer to purchase. Study of consumer behavior. Market performs study of consumer behavior, analysis of buyer behavior, and it helps marketer in market segregation and targeting. Production planning and development. Production planning and development start with the generation of product ideas and end with the product communication. Product planning includes everything from branding and packaging to product line expansion and contraction. Pricing policies. Marketer has to determine various pricing policy for their product. Pricing policies differ from product to product and depends on the level of competition, product life cycle, marketing goals, and objective, etc. Distribution. Study of distribution channel is important in marketing. For maximum sales and profit, goods are required to be distributed to the maximum consumers at minimum cost. Promotion. It includes personal selling, sales promotion, and advertising. Right promotion mix is crucial in accomplishment of marketing goals. If you say customer satisfaction is concerned, the product or service offered must satisfy consumer, and consumer satisfaction is a major objective. Marketing control. Marketing audit is done to control the marketing activities. The importance of marketing as a business function and in the economy. Marketing refers to the process through which business and organization promote themselves and their product by communication with potential customers. Marketing includes all types of advertising, ranging from websites and television commercial to print and outdoor advertising. Businesses spend huge sum of money on marketing to improve their sales, but marketing also benefits society, good and service key. Delivery of standards of living to the society. The society is a mixture of diverse people with diverse tastes and preferences. Modern marketing always aims for customer satisfaction. So main liability of marketing to produce goods and services for the society according to the needs and taste at reasonable price. Marketing discover needs and wants of society, use the goods and services according to the needs and create demands for these goods and services. They go ahead and promote the goods, marketing people aware about them and creating a demand for the goods, encouraging customers to use them. It is not only improve the standards but also the living of the society. Decrease in distribution costs. Second important liability of marketing is to control the cost of distribution. Through the effective marketing, the companies can reduce their distribution costs to a great extent. Decrease in cost of distribution directly affects the price of the product because the cost of the distribution is an important part of the total price of the product. Increasing employment opportunities. Marketing comprises of advertising, sales, distribution, branding, and many more activities. So the development of the marketing automatically gives rise to a need of people to work in several areas of marketing. The employment opportunities are born. Also, successful operations make marketing activities requires the service of different enterprises and organizations such as wholesaler, retailer, transportation, storage, finance, insurance, and advertising. These services provide employment to a number of people. If we talk about protection against business slumps, business slumps cause unemployment, slackness in the success of business, and great loss to community. Marketing helps in protecting society against all the problems. Increase in national income. Successful operations of marketing activities create, maintain, and increase the demand of the goods and services in society. To meet the increased demand, companies need to increase the level of production, in turn, raising their income. This increase in turn increase the national income and it helps effective marketing, which leads to export, adding to the national income, and this is beneficial to the whole society. Informing and educating consumers on the way in which marketing benefits society is informing and educating consumers. Marketing often has a pervasive intent, but it's generally begin when company identify the customer need and seeks to explain how it produces services that meet the needs of the customer with clarity, defined needs. Marketing provides a means of learning about how products and what they do, and marketing also include more practical information to assist in marketing approach, such as address, phone numbers, product related information, etc. etc. Well, this is all for today and wish you all the best. We'll meet you in the next video where we'll discuss about the rest of the part of this marketing. Thank you.